guys, I want to let you know that on February 9th, I'm going to be in Ontario, SoCal for a show called SlammedEnuff. I'm going to be there with all aspects. I'm going to bring my car. And if you guys want to see us at our booth, come through. It is February 9th. I'll see you guys there. Come cop some merch. Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. The brand just launched a couple days ago and you guys killed it with the orders. Thank you so much. Can't wait for all you guys to rock the stickers, and I'm so glad you guys like them. Today's video, we are going to install something, and a subscriber actually suggested that I do this last year, and I'm finally getting around to doing it now just because I was able to find this part. My buddy over at SlammedEnuff sent us a little care package. Can't wait to open these and see their new air fresheners. We're also going to be doing a giveaway, so stay tuned for that, and don't forget to enter because I'm going to be putting in some personal goodies myself in this giveaway. Ooh, guys, get your girlfriend these shoes because a few girls have already asked her where she got them, and they're all going to tell their boyfriends to get it for them. What do we get? What do we get?
Wow, lots and lots.
Whoa. A few of my subscribers are Asian. And if you guys don't know what this is, since you're not in the Hispanic culture, this is pretty much a chancla. This is what they would get hit with when they would misbehave. And you know, for Asian culture, we'd get hit with everything. Belt, clothes hanger. Oh, that was like my parents' #1 favorite besides a belt. Because the clothes hanger would break, and I think they got the satisfaction of hitting us so damn hard that it would snap, and then they just have to get another one. No more of that abuse. This is really cute. What else do we got? Oh!
The Bad Bunny.
You wanted this one, huh?
Yeah, I did.
If you guys fucks with Bad Bunny, leave it down in the comments below. Damn, he hooked us up. What else do we got? Damn, we got some restocks. This is dope. Damn, he pretty much just sent us all of them. Guys, head to the website. Link will be in the description below for any of these if you want them. Thank you so much, George, for sending me these. Comment below which one is your favorite. Now that we got that unboxing out of the way, a little mini unboxing, we are going to install some Illuminated door sills. I think that's what they're called. They're pretty much these. I got them used because they were such a great deal. These are OEM, straight from LEXUS. And I think retail, they're about $200. I know, you can just get some eBay ones and call it a day, but I really wanted to keep everything OEM just because that is the person that I am. I like to spend money. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install these. I don't even know if these work, to be honest. They're already T-tapped. Well, this part is, I need to go and purchase the actual T-tap my car wire, and then plug this in. Probably gonna head over to either AutoZone or Lowe's right now and just pick those up real quick because that's the only thing I need before I can start this install. I already know how to disassemble everything and kind of what wires to tap into. Once I get that, we'll go ahead and start with the install. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so I just got back from AutoZone and O'Reilly's and Lowe's, and none of them had the T-tap that I needed, which was red. Red is 22 by 18 gauge, which is better for a smaller wire. So what they had were the blue ones, which are 3/4 inch, which is a little bit bigger, which means this is for a thicker wire. But it's all compatible. I'm hoping this will still work and be able to get enough current to be able to light up this light. I need to prepare more for these installs. If I knew this was gonna happen, I would have just ordered it online and waited for it to come in the mail and then did the install. You guys know I don't really prepare that much. So now you know that my installs are very raw. I'm just like, all right, I'm gonna install it today. Let's go for it. Whatever I need, I'm not gonna buy it beforehand. But yeah, if you guys don't know where this goes, it goes right here. I already went ahead and took off mine. It's so dirty under there, I need to clean it. We're gonna wipe it down and start. Alright guys, so I'm going to be following my buddy Rodney's install. If you guys want to check out his video, he has a full detailed how-to video. I'm going to leave it right here for you guys to click on so you can use that as a reference. I'm not going to really explain it too much. I'm just going to try to install it. But for his video, there is every detail that you'll need. So first we're going to pry out the plastic pieces. I don't have plastic trim removers, so I use either flatheads or whatever I have, but mainly a flathead. It always sounds like you're breaking stuff, but you're not. So we got that piece off, set it to the side. The coolest part about these is that LEXUS already anticipated for people to install this, or even for them to install it for you. So there's like a little opening right here, which fits this. Stick this through right here underneath the trim. Clip everything down, and this will go alongside this wire, and you just zip tie it and it'll be perfect. So next thing, you're gonna want to take out this trim. It just comes off. So you have this exposed. You're gonna want your flathead here too to open this. Come on, there you go. Push this back, get more room. I just gotta figure out the wires that I'm tapping into. Like I said, guys, Rodney has all that on his channel, so go ahead and check out his video, please. I'm gonna leave it right here. I'm gonna update you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna try to tap into it and hopefully it works. But for sure, one gets tapped into here, and then you're going to want to unscrew this bolt, take off this whole panel, and then one gets tapped into that. It's lit. Yeah, that was a little bit more difficult than I expected. That's only because I accidentally unplugged my fog light switch, so I had to figure out how to plug that back in. That was a huge pain because it's such a tight spot down there. But let's go ahead and go to the passenger side. Finally finished. It got dark, but that's kind of good because now you can see it. So happy. The much needed upgrade. Up next, I'm gonna try to get some OEM ones of these. Hopefully I could get them for a good price. The OEM ones shoot either the F or just Lexus. I was kind of considering getting the F, but my car is not an F car, so obviously it's gonna be a lot of hate. But I do have some F parts, like the Brembos, but I still don't think it's enough. I feel like you need the engine to solidify. The Lexus ones, it shoots down and it says Lexus. Those are like 180. But other than that, what do you guys think? I'm super happy with it. I've been wanting to do it, and huge shout out to the subscribers that did mention for me to do it. There's like about 2 or 3 of you. I was just waiting on either making more money so I can buy the OEM ones for 200 bucks. I know it's not that much, but there's a few other things that I need to get out of the way first before I do little mods like this. And obviously I could have gotten eBay, but I just like OEM quality. I don't know what else to say. I'm sure a lot of you guys do too, but it's expensive. Thankfully, I was able to find these used and they're still in really good condition. Couple scratches. I also wonder if you guys noticed this. I slapped the sticker onto my t-shirt just because I really do want a t-shirt. We're gonna make them very soon, so stay tuned for those. It's gonna be amazing quality for sure. I think it's kind of funny. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like that install. There's one more thing that I wanted to tackle, but since there's no more sunlight, I'm gonna have to pick this video back up tomorrow. So I will see you guys then. What is up, guys? It is currently the next day, and what I have planned for you guys is another quick install. Isn't that dope? You guys get 2 installs in this video. So this install isn't really directed towards Lexus owners. One of my buddies just recently started an automotive company, and it's directed towards the 10th generation Honda Civic. So since my girlfriend has a 10th gen Civic, what he did was he sent me parts to install. So what we're gonna be installing today is a wide angle mirror. So we're gonna be replacing the OEM ones with another mirror, which is supposed to be wide angle so you can see blind spots and everything. I've personally seen some of these mirrors that just stick onto your existing OEM mirror go for about over 100 bucks. And then I've seen some almost direct OEM replacements for close to 200 bucks. So my buddy Scott started this company and he's selling them for only $90. So we're gonna go ahead and install these real quick. It should be like a 15-minute install from what he told me. Let's go ahead and tackle it. Oh shit. Damn, this is quality, dude. Oh my god. Guys, look. That is insane. What up? Damn, he should make some for the IS. What do you guys think? Comment down below if you think Scott should make wide angle mirrors for the IS. I honestly don't know how that would work since we do have heated mirrors, and I don't know, I'm pretty sure he'll find out a way, but this is so sick. Let's go ahead and put these bad boys in. So all we're doing is popping these out. Pretty sure they just come out. All we're gonna be doing is getting these clips and removing this whole back piece off to put it onto the new mirror. And once it's on the new mirror, then you just put it right back in. All right guys, so it snaps on super easy. And all you're doing is putting this back in. And there you have it, direct OEM replacement. I think it's definitely recommended. I wish he had one for my car, so hopefully in the future, if you guys have a 10th gen Honda Civic or know anyone that does and you feel like this will benefit them, definitely cop. It's $90 for both. That's like a freaking steal right there. Not to mention, if you guys want, you can use my discount code, JASONIS. It's gonna be on the screen right here, and you will get an additional 10% off. Check the website. The link is gonna be down in the description below. Help my buddy out if you guys know anyone that needs this, because this comes in clutch. Baby, what do you think? Do you like it?
Yeah, I love it.
All right guys, so I'm gonna show you a quick comparison test of these mirrors. Check this out. I don't know if you guys can really see. This one is OEM, so you guys can like not really see too wide. And then we have this one where it's like, holy shit, that's freaking crazy. Alright guys, so I feel like I haven't updated you guys on the car in a very long time. So what's been going on with the car? Pretty much, I'm just trying to fix things up. I do have a couple more mods in mind, but I want to make it look a little bit better. There's a few things that I need to fix, and there's things that bug me. Other than that, I feel like it's been a while since I've updated you guys on the Rolls-Royce lights, the Apexi throttle controller. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. The Rolls-Royce lights. I did this mod about like 8 months ago, and it's held up perfectly since. As you guys can see, it's still good. None of them have fallen out, none of them have gone back in. They're pretty much perfect. Every function still works. If I want it red, if I want it green, if I want it blue, I can do jump, can do a little fade. I can make it slower if I wanted to. There's just lots of things I can do. I can make it go to music. Every single thing still works, and it's holding up beautifully. My favorite mode that I still like to use to this day is probably dim white, which is that. Sometimes if I'm feeling like it, I'll go for the bright white during the day, but this is pretty bright at night, so I like to keep it mellow with the dim, and it looks like stars in the back. And I expect them to hold up way longer. Still super hyped on that. So the next thing is the Apexi throttle controller. So for those of you who don't know, I have an Apexi throttle controller, as you can see right here, and it's still working perfectly fine. All the modes still work. And if you guys don't know what it does, it pretty much sends a quicker throttle response to the car itself and pretty much gives you a little bit quicker throttle. So for example, I have it in purple mode right now. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and rev it up to 1500. And we'll just keep it right there. And I'm gonna go ahead and press this and switch it to red mode, which is high throttle. And look at that. It went up on its own. I didn't do anything except press this. So I've had a few people ask me, how has the Apexi throttle controller been holding up? It's been perfectly fine. Instead of driving in red mode all the time, I like to keep it a little more mellow and drive it in purple, because purple, it's called boost mode. It gives you more gradual throttle response as opposed to red mode, which just kind of gives you instant throttle, I guess. It's like you're flooring it like immediately, even if you just tap it. So I like purple because it's more for like daily driving, cruising in the city, and then red mode would be more for like the highway. So when I have passengers, I also don't want it to like jerk all the damn time just by having my toe on the throttle, you know? That's pretty much how it's been holding up. It's been perfect so far. I've had it for about, I want to say like six months, almost 7 months. A lot of people have actually been getting it because of my install, and I'm so happy that they're happy. And if you guys are planning on trying it, I don't want you guys to expect any power difference whatsoever. All it is just waking up your car a little bit. That's pretty much it for the updates on my car so far. So those were the 2 mods that were asked about the most, to see if there were any issues long-term or any short circuiting or anything like that, but they are both perfectly fine and I absolutely love them. And that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I cannot believe how great 2020 is going so far, minus the fact that Kobe passed away. RIP. I was so bummed when I heard about it. I was already on my phone and I heard about it 2 minutes after it was posted up on the news and everything, and my heart dropped. And I know for all you Kobe fans out there, he was an inspiration to you guys too, so I'm really sorry that 2020 had to start off like this. So the last thing I'm gonna do before I end today's video is I'm gonna put up a Smellables air freshener. I know I'm not Hispanic, but it just brings back memories because I would get hit with sandals too. I'd get hit with everything. The scent is sandalwood, I believe. You guys should definitely cop this if you've been hit with any type of chocolate when you were growing up. Jason, what you get in school today? B+? B+? I gonna whip you. I'll do better next time, I promise.
How you get B+? You're supposed to get A. A's for Asian.
But yeah, huge shout out to Smellables. If you guys have not checked out their website, go ahead and check them out. It's gonna be down in the link in the description below, and cop some. And if you guys have not checked out my website and my brand, it is gonna be down in the link in the description below as well. Cop some stickers. The more stickers that are copped, the closer we can get to making merch, shirts, whatever it is. We're still saving up. It's a process, you know? Fire! Oh guys, one last thing before I end today's video. I have to give you guys one quick last update. Guys, look at what I've been working on for the last few days. If you guys remember, that subscriber got me a little Lexus and I've been modding it. Holy shit. So the rear fitment isn't that great yet, but damn, look at this. I still need to shave down the exhaust a little more and then add the tips. but it's not bad, right? Damn, that is gonna look so sick when I'm done. That's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys liked it, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe because we are almost at 10K. Oh shit, we are so close. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.